This is Nell Foster with Joya's Garden, and today I'm going to show you how to propagate succulents without seeds. And the first way, I don't know if this is really propagating. I guess it is because it is making a new plant. Has something like an agave attenuata. I just did this video, a separate video about how to do this. But this is just, this grows off of the mother plant that there's a lot of babies. They're called pups. So I just cut this one off. It had a bigger stem, so I had to cut it. Sometimes you can just pull them right off of the mother plant. You can also do that with the kalanchoe, the rhizofolia. Just pull it right off. But that's one way there. Another way is to take a stem cutting. This is the Graptivaria, and as you can see, it's been healing off here. I cut this probably about 2 months ago. So it's already started to form these leaves, and here is a bigger Graptivaria here. And there's all these different ones, and sometimes they don't show roots. Don't be concerned about that. This is a sedum, and it's not showing any roots, but you can go ahead and plant it anyway. Most things are really durable and easy to do. This is a string of pearls. It is a little bit more delicate. I cut this probably about 2 months ago, and see, there are no roots, but it'll still be fine to put right in the soil. So those are the stem cuttings. You can also do a leaf cutting. This is a kalanchoe here, and if you wanted to get, I have a whole patch of this plant, so I don't want any more of them. Actually, I actually give them away now. But if you only had one and you wanted to make more because you just have one, then you can just cut this. And you can put that in, and you can put that into like a perlite kind of a propagating mix, and that'll just root right away. This one just fell off in the garden. I have a whole bunch of these out in the front yard, and what it's doing is, as you can see there, that there's roots here. I pulled it out this morning, and it actually forms a new little plantlet here. So that's another way you can do it. So you have it where you just pull the offshoot off. You take a stem cutting and let it heal over. This is not showing any roots either. Or you can take a leaf cutting. This is Nell Foster, and I have just shown you some ways of how to propagate succulents without seeds.